Good evening to all my dear friends. My name is Vaibhav Tiwari. Hello. Yes. So today we study math chapter number 1 number system. So what is number system? We study in this. Okay. So please write down these key concept in your notes. Okay, so first is numeral, a figure, symbol or group of figures or symbols that denote number. Digits, 10 symbols, namely 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Number, a single digit or a combination of digit. Numeration, word from of number. Place value, value of each digit in a number. It depends on its position in the number. Face value, actual value of the digit. Conversion, converting number between different number systems. Rounding off, making a simpler value of a number. That is your key concept. Okay, so please write down in your notes. So we came on our topic number system. So number system, what is number system? Okay, so that there is we write some face value. First is our face value, the face value. Okay, so I given an example of 7 in 4 5 7 8 9. So that answer is 7, always 7, not 700. Okay, or 789. That answer is 7. Okay, so I will give you some examples of these and you tell me answers. Okay, so 8 in 9 7 8 6 6. Okay, what you can tell me that 8. Okay, so 8, that 8 is the answer of that question. Okay, so friends, अब हम आते हैं प्लेस वैल्यू पे. प्लेस वैल्यू में ये नहीं, ये जो आपने देखा ये प्लेस वैल्यू में नहीं आता है. जो प्लेस वैल्यू होती है वो एक टेक प्लेस करती है. जैसे कि 9 in 9200. So what is the answer? Not the answer is 9. No, the answer is not 9. Okay, so the answer is that question, in that question is 9000, means 9000 in this. So what you learn in this? You learn that face value 7 in 4 5 7 8 9. In this, that the 7 is not 700, that is it is 7. Okay, understand? So place value क्या है? So place value में देखिए 9 in 9200. Not we not write 9 as a place value. So the answer is 9200. In this question is answer, this answer is 9000, means 9000 is the answer of 9200. 9 in place value. Okay, so I think you understand that. Okay, so what are you can say number name. Okay, so standard form, you can say standard form. What is the standard form? Not the number name. Standard form is a short form of any number name, and any number name is the big form of standard form. Standard form that I denoted with ST means standard form, and number name. Okay, I denoted with NN. So that is a number name, that is a short form, and big form, that is a big form. Okay, and that is a big form, and that is a short form. S for standard, S for short form. Okay, you understand? And nothing is but that is true about numbers. Okay, so can you tell me 4,99,000? how we write in a standard form. The question is 4,96,000. 4,96,000. How we written in standard form is short form. 4,19,000. So the answer is that 4,19,000. That's it. Okay. That is our answer. So we came to our next topic. That is the symbol of big and small number. Okay, so first number is 6922. That not jet, and that is 2 and 2. So, and which is bigger? 6923 is bigger or 6922 is bigger? So, can you tell me, friends? Yes, which is bigger? That this is bigger. So sign can be done by that. Okay. So sorry friends. That 622. Okay. That next is 622. Which is bigger? 6 2 2 2 4. Which is bigger? 6 to 4 is bigger. Okay, so that is our small and long. Okay, so today we learn what we learn in this chapter. We learn face value, place value, standard form, and number names, and to compare these numbers. And the next exercise is our 1B, which you can join in our next class. Thank you, friends.